Hello and welcome to Civil Talks. Today we're going to learn about what power system is, what is power grid, and what are its components. So without further ado, let's get started. Hydropower generates power. It does not only compromises the system that generates power, but it also comprises a system that distributes as well as transmits the power to other places. So a network that consists all three of them, generation, distribution and transmission system, is a power system collectively. That means a power system includes the device connected to the system like the synchronous generator, motor, transformer, circuit breaker, conductor, etc. This is a brief explanation of what power system is. Now let's come to another topic. What is power grid? Just a second. Okay then, here comes the power grid. You can clearly see on the screen. I'm so sorry for the light. So the first line says that system of transmission of high voltage is power grid. That means immediately after the generation of power from the powerhouse in hydroelectric project, the transmission of it is done to the power grid. It is done, which is known as power grid, not through the power grid. Modern power system is served by several power plants which are interconnected to form a power grid. That means in our country or in most of the countries that the power generated is usually connected on the national power grid. Yeah, that has to transmit to a substation and thereafter it is distributed through the distribution system. Such power system is designed to supply sufficient capacity of supply leak load and small additional capacity to take care of breakdown and necessary maintenance. Thus, a power grid is a system in which a series of hydropower stations are functioning at a time with satisfying the demand in electricity to the people without disturbances in their works if any station needed to be stopped. That means in the power grid, not only the power generated from a single hydropower project is connected, the other hydropower project that is producing power can also connect or are also connecting their are also transmitting their power to the same grid. That's why if one power generation of a hydroelectric project stops, then uh, there is no need to worry because another hydroelectric project is continuously supplying the power to the same grid. This is a power grid. Okay, now let's come to another topic. What are the components of power system? I'm so sorry for the note again. So okay, I could have made the slide but I do not have any time to do so. So on the screen you can see the components of power system. Here PHA and PSB, it is the powerhouse 1 or powerhouse 2, and the straight line uh, and the straight line is the is the grid. The electricity or the power generated from the powerhouse is transmitted to the power grid through the transmission line. You can see here PSB. Yeah, you can see it here. Here, transmission line, and then LDC refers to the local dispatch center. Okay, and through the local dispatch center, it is distributed to different communities through the distribution line. That means generation stations, substations, distribution line, household consumers, transmission line, load dispatch center, and distribution transformers are the components of power system or that comprises to form a power system. Okay, thank you so much for watching our video. If you like our video, please do subscribe. That will indeed motivate me to put on some more videos on my channel. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.